everyone. Today we are at our cousin's house for the long weekend and we're gonna make
ice cream milkshakes! Yes, we will be making ice cream milkshakes and we will use cookies and cream ice cream,
some milk, whole
and
milk,
some maraschino cherries for toppings.
So let's get started.
Yay! Ice cream! Now we will show you how to make an ice cream milkshake. First, we will put in 2 scoops of cookies and cream ice cream.
We're gonna put it in our blender.
2.
Okay, now we're gonna add some milk. So this is whole milk that we're gonna use. So we added 3 scoops of ice cream and we got the milk and we filled it up 3/4 of the way. So now we're gonna close the lid. Okay, so now it's all ready to blend. We're just gonna put it in. Blended it for 1 to 2 minutes. Let's see how it is. Whoa, looks really tasty. So we blended it for about 1 minute and now we're gonna serve it. You wanna serve it?
Yes, please.
Whoa, that looks super tasty. Okay.
Now we're going to add the maraschino cherry topping. Ooh, it looks good.
Cherries are my favorite and it's going on to the ice cream.
You want to add some?
Yeah.
Now we're going to put in the straws. Now we are going to try it.
And now we're going to try to keep making more for all our cousins to enjoy this wonderful milkshake.
Now we're going to taste it.
This tastes really good.
It tastes just like Oreos.
Okay, so now we're gonna prepare for the rest of all our cousins.
Finally get to drink the delicious, refreshing milkshakes. Yummy!
So tasty. Now, let's all enjoy. This is really tasty. What do you guys think?
So refreshing on such a hot day like this. We had a nice time with all our cousins.
Bye! See you guys soon!
Bye! Bye! Yeah!
But you're recording. I didn't know. Off it. Whole milk, vitamin D milk.
And
So now we're gonna prepare for the rest of all our cousins.
cheers.